I'm going to show you how to use ClickUp for project management with White Glove Ninja. After you log in, it'll drop you on your list page. The list is named according to your domain name so we can find it, and filters everything out for you so you can find it. On the list view here, you can see this is the open status. You can start creating new tasks like migrate site, add new logo, add contact us page. You can just load this up with all the tasks that you want done. Do another task, and then as you're looking at this, you can prioritize these items. Oh, do that. Oh no, we can't do that before we migrate the site. Let's do that first. And this other task is really important. Let's do that next. So we prioritize the tasks in here. For looking at work and looking at what's going on, the board view I kind of like a little bit more because it lists out all the statuses up here, and you can see what we're working on. That's the doing column. When you create stuff, you should create it in the open column. That way I can review it with the team, and when I'm ready and make sure I understand the task, I will move them over to ready and assign them to my team members. And they'll start working on it. When they're working on it, they'll put it in the doing column so you can see exactly what we're working on at the time. When they're done working on something, they're going to move it over to the testing. And at that point, it'll get assigned to you for you to test it. Look at the work that's been done. If you find something that you want changed, click on the card for the task and it'll open up a bigger view. Also, you can put in more descriptions here. You can paste images in here. You can drag documents in here to help explain the task. Over here, you can make your comments. That's the wrong site, or whatever you need to communicate with the team directly linked up with this task. So you can comment on that, and that'll be set in there. You can close that up, and you can bring this back to ready. Say ready, try again. If you're testing something and it sounds great, move it over here to accepted. It means you've accepted the work and consider that done. If there's a little piece with it, we can make a new task to fix up that little piece so that we can move things into accepted. If the team and I get stuck on something, we will put it in waiting on partner. So you can set up your alerts in ClickUp so that you get notified on that. And then we're just waiting on an image from you or a decision from you. Maybe it's been in testing too long and we put it there. If my team's working on something and they get confused or they don't understand or they don't know how to do it, they'll try to work with the rest of the team to figure it out. But if they get stuck, they're going to move it into this blocked column. That flags it for the whole team and me to look at and help keep things progressing along. After they're accepted, I'll kind of review the work as well and mark them done and closed. So that's our Kanban board, our ClickUp board, so that you can create new tasks here. You can add tasks here by clicking the little plus button, give it a name, and then save it, and then you can open it up and add some details to the task, drop some pictures in there. You can attach files and stuff. If it's not related to kind of the tasks and stuff, we also have this chat window where we can have a chat dialogue between us as you have questions or you're not sure, or hey, I can't find this ticket. We can use that chat to communicate as well. So if you want to see what's been happening while you've been gone, there's a notifications area. You can hit that. It'll list everything that's happened on your board. There'll be little check marks over here where you can click to clear them off of your notification list so you can easily see the work that's been recently done in the comments. Inbox is a place where you can kind of schedule a little checklist for yourself on what you're thinking about or working on, or what you need to talk with me on the next meeting. That's private kind of for you to look at on there. And then task just goes back to your board view. So that's our ClickUp tool. That's our project management tool. It's our main line of communication outside of our conversations and periodic meetings if you're on White Glove. If you have any questions, feel free to address them in our chat or email us or bring it up at our next meeting.